All right, y'all, so we're back over at iWrap. We went ahead and removed these side panels. We're going back to the nice classic look. I really like the black, but I think this is gonna be much nicer. We're actually gonna be going ahead and getting the car wrapped here in the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But we're going to be wrapping the car a brand new color, guys. And so what we're gonna do is get it nice and prepped. Everything else is gonna keep the same black accents, but we're gonna be taking the door pieces and making sure the door pieces match with the same wrap color. I think it's gonna be a nice, clean look. I think it's gonna look just absolutely that much better, and it's gonna be really nice. But anyway, let's get back to it. All right, so I went ahead and cleaned up these sides right here. Very dirty, but man, I tested it so far and it looks just much more cleaner with the white. It's going to be a really nice look. I did like the black, but I just think this is just a much more clean, just overall better look for the car, especially with all that's going on. It's very busy, but so I want to have a nice just subtleness to the car. We went ahead and cleaned that up. Now I'm going to go back inside. As you can see, I started walking 2 months, y'all. Just a little over 2 months and already starting to walk. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put these back in. Like I said, not too difficult. Pretty much you got 2 bolts on both sides of the doors. Both are on the top part. You're gonna go ahead, open up the door. If you look underneath the weather stripping, there's going to be one here and one here. These are where the 2 bolts are gonna go. All you have to do is remove both of those, and then everything else bolts pretty much in. Pretty simple, not too difficult. But we're gonna have just these. These are gonna be the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need one of these T20s. These are the 4 bolts, or 2 on each side. And this is like a nice little metal piece that you can do to help yourself make this job much easier. So all you need, guys, is a T20 to get pretty much this done, and it's not too difficult to get done. I'm over here healing from an Achilles injury, and I'm able to do the install myself. But anyway, let's go ahead and start with the driver's side. All right, so we're gonna start with the driver's side. Very self-explanatory. Gonna come here, make sure all of your bolts are in place. Got the weather stripping here, but I just kind of come here, just make sure everything is tight, and just make sure everything is in, nothing is loose. See that one? Just make sure you pop that in, pop that in. These are all good to go. All right, so this is essentially how it's gonna look. Make sure everything is lined up. You see everything is lined up well. I don't have the piece in yet. I'm gonna put that piece in. But make sure everything is lined up and in. Yeah, definitely like of how this looks. It really makes that arch. You know, the black is really nice for the accent, but that white piece really just kind of insinuates that arch a little bit more in the angle. So I definitely like now how you can really see that swooping arch, right? So it just kind of adds more of an hip look. Well, definitely love this look much better. All right, so just put the other side on, and man, like I was saying, just the white, and again, it's just fake vent. Fake vents are fine, you know. Obviously I got rid of all the fake vents. There's nothing fake about the vents in here. As you can see, nothing fake about the vents here. Everything has been functional, been swapped, even just took out the arch. But yeah, so that's pretty much how it looks. And I gotta say, it definitely looks much better. All right, and last thing you're gonna wanna do, like I said, gonna put these bolts in. It's a little difficult for me to film this process. But like I said, you just need your T20 and the bolts that come with the car, and you're gonna go ahead and install these and make it nice and easy. Also, to make it easy, you can also just kind of pop these clips back, so it's just easier access in order to get to these holes. But anyway, went ahead and put the first bolt in, and like I said, you don't need to pop these out, but just in case, if you wanted to make it nice and easy, you can pop these out, and you can literally just go ahead and pop these right back in, and then you're all set and ready to go. You can tuck that in there. See, good as new. All right, so I went ahead and finished the other side, and like I was saying, man, that just looks so good. And we're getting it ready for the wrap that we're going to be doing on the car. Got so many cool things coming, and man, I am so excited just to show you guys some of the amazing things that are going to be coming to the car soon. So anyway, yeah, that looks so good, man. All right, YouTube family, so we are back. As you can see, we got the side panels back to being white. Went ahead and put the piece right there, and man, just this white and black just side, I think that's just a better look for the car. We're gonna go ahead and get the car wrapped, so go ahead and check out iWrap. We're gonna be doing a full car wrap, full PPF, and changing the entire look of the car. I do love the white and I do love the black, and I think it is super clean, but I'm very excited to bring the next color to the car. I really love this color. We're gonna really be transforming this vehicle. Last video, I had a bunch of you guys telling me that you want to see more of the front bumper and how it looks. So I wanted to go ahead and just do a brief walk around to show you guys exactly how the front bumper looks. Man, so aggressive. Absolutely so aggressive. Having the wrap here, the carbon fiber lip, the canards there, the hood, the side fenders, and the hood exposed louvers, and just the car, man, it's looking so good. Let's go ahead and finish wiping the car down, get her ready for the wrap and the clean, but overall that was what I wanted to show you guys. We also got the coilovers in front and rear of the AFE I showed you guys before. We also got the AWE catback exhaust on the car. I'm gonna do a video showcasing my thoughts on these as well. But man, got the black. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Lots of stuff coming, lots of content coming. And anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Keep staying blessed, y'all. Keep working hard. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Have a great day, a blessed day, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.